Hi, I'm Jason, and I'd like to help you understand the value of receiving Power BI training from DataBear. Now, with a vertical focus on Power BI, DataBear has partnered with Microsoft to empower organizations to use Power BI the right way. With Power BI as our central focus, not just one of many other software courses, you have the benefit of receiving specialist best practice training. Rather than recruiting freelance trainers, we have a dedicated team of experienced Power BI trainers that are passionate about our vision to empower organizations to become more data savvy. Now, what makes our Power BI training courses different is our approach and focus. Rather than focusing on just tips and tricks, our Power BI training courses are designed to ensure that the fundamental best practice concepts are understood and can be correctly applied. Now, we empower our students with a logical, step-by-step approach to important aspects like data modeling, query building, and overall report design. Getting your data correctly structured is an essential first step to the effectiveness of any Power BI solution. When you have multiple data sources and many tables in your model, understanding how best to model your data can be daunting. Our courses are designed to help those with no previous data modeling experience understand the key concepts that ring true, regardless of the type of data being used. Before building any Power BI reports, our students gain the confidence to know how to correctly transform and model data into the ideal structure required for enhanced report building. Every company's data and reporting requirements are different. And for this reason, we also offer bespoke Power BI training courses using your own data. Using familiar data whilst working on relevant outcomes ensures maximized learning value. Our BYO data training teaches you step by step how to correctly model your data and create all the KPIs and those insightful reports and dashboards that your organization needs. If you're unsure which course or learning path is the best option for you or your team, please give us a call, send an email, or use the link below to book a meeting. We look forward to meeting you and empowering you to use Power BI the right way.